Hey there, savvy shoppers. Do you want to take these credits and not miss one of them? Then listen up because this tip could save you real money. TEMU gives daily credits that can range from €1 to €20, and missing even one day could mean losing valuable credit. Ouch! So here's how you make sure you never miss a single TEMU daily credit claim. We're going to set a smart calendar reminder on your iPhone. Let's go. Open the calendar app. Open your iPhone calendar app. Yes, that little icon with the date, tap it. Create a new event. Now tap the plus sign at the top right to create a new event. Fill in the details. For the title, type Claim TEMU credits. Set the time around midday or whenever is most convenient for you. To customize repeat, scroll down and tap Repeat, select every day. On the end, repeat, and choose a date about 5 days later. That's your claim window that you need to get every day to no lose any credit from the €50 credit back pool. This is crucial. Don't forget to add a reminder alert before finalizing. Better yet, is surely Iran set to one an hour before and another at the time of the event. Double reminders equals double protection. And just like that, boom, you've protected your TEMU credits like a pro. No more missed euros, no more regrets. Thanks for watching. If this helped you save money, do me a quick favor. Like this video, subscribe, and maybe even share it with a forgetful friend. See you in the next one, and happy claiming.